That'll be the Y coming from the other side of the house. Located first Y by family room, pushing forward through the transition. Alright, line has scale build up coming around the pipe. Alright, at this Y right now, the Y that's going straight is going to the kitchen, and the one that's over to the right is headed toward the back of the home, believed to be catching the guest bathroom in the master. Pushing forward. Alright, look like the channel is starting to give way at the bottom, heading toward the kitchen. Let's run some water in the kitchen sink. Alright, so we got the water running in the kitchen sink, and we have marked off the area. This is just up under the kitchen cabinets. Continuing to push with the water running so that we can see. It look like the pipe has lost its bottom at that point, so it's a hole in the line. Alright, we're going to shut off the water so we can restore visibility. Alright, continuing to push with the water off. Alright, dear the location, the spot that we at is underneath the master bathroom toilet. So I'm going to leave this camera in and go up to the roof.